day, everyone. Good day to every of our followers that have been watching this YouTube channel. We are back to our program again. Our program remains the same, GIAMOTAC program. Somebody can ask me the meaning of GIAMOTAC. GIAMOTAC program simply means God is able mathematics, online teaching, and competition. That is just the full meaning of our GIAMOTAC, and nothing else than that. Okay, so we are back again to our topic. We are still on series and sequence, as we all know. So on our previous lesson that we work on how we can identify sequence and series. And I made mention that sequence is a pattern, while series is the summation of your pattern. But today we are working under some subtopic under this topic itself. And today, by the grace of God, we will be working on AP and GP. What is the meaning of AP? AP simply means arithmetic progression, while GP means geometric progression. These two key words are different subtopic entirely. And by the grace of God, we will be treating both the sequence and series under these subtopics. Don't forget you are still on series and sequence, and that is why we'll be treating the sequence and series under this subtopic. Alright, so like I said, today we are working on arithmetic progression, and geometric progression. So these are the two things that we are working on today. Now, before we proceed further, I want to explain to you what do you understand by AP, what do you understand by GP. These two things simply are a progression. That is something going forward, something progressing either positively or negatively. You know, we can also apply this in our area of lives. How? It's either your life progress positively or your life progress negatively. The one that progresses negatively is known as decreasing. That is, the progress is decreasing. The one that is called arithmetic progression positively is the one that is increasing. So, when we are talking about arithmetic progression and geometric progression, they are telling you that something is happening either positively or negatively. Alright? So whatever that is happening positively is what we call, or we term as, increase in the progress. Whatever that is negative is what we term as decrease in the progress. So with this understanding, I can simply divide my arithmetic progression to be a sequence that is increasing or decreasing with common difference. Why do I call it common difference? Your arithmetic progression deals with addition or subtraction. Take note of that. AP deals with addition or subtraction, while GP deals with multiplication or division. So, meaning that for your AP, is either your sequence decrease or increase with a common difference. While for your GP, which is your geometric progression, it increases or decreases with a common ratio. Okay, so let's write something down. For those that are following us on our channel, this implies that, let's give the definition of arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression can be divided as the increase or decrease of a sequence, increase or decrease of a sequence with a common difference, with a common difference. Okay, so that is for our arithmetic progression. Let us check out for our geometric progression. Geometric progression can be divided as the increase or decrease of a sequence with a common ratio. Okay, so this is what we call a geometric progression and an arithmetic progression. Our arithmetic progression can be divided as the increase or decrease of a sequence with a common difference, while geometric progression can be divided as the increase or decrease of a sequence with a common ratio. Okay, so on our next video, watch out for how we can identify arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Thank you.